Hello friends, this is Nabi, and welcome Thinkery Plus channel. If you dream of studying at the University of Toronto, one of Canada's top-ranked universities, this video is for you. Today, we're providing a complete A to Z guide on how international students can apply, covering admission requirements, documents, scholarships, visas, and practical tips. The University of Toronto is globally recognized for its academic excellence, innovative research, and diverse programs. Studying here offers international students access to top-tier education, excellent faculty, and a multicultural environment. Toronto itself is a vibrant, safe city, offering numerous career opportunities and rich cultural experiences. Before applying, you must decide between undergraduate and graduate programs. Undergraduate programs are typically 3 to 4 year bachelor's degrees in fields like arts, sciences, engineering, and business. Graduate programs include master's, PhD, and professional degrees across business, law, engineering, and health sciences. Each program has specific requirements, so always check the official program page carefully. For undergraduate students, requirements include high school transcripts or equivalent and English proficiency. Some programs may also require optional SAT/ACT scores or a personal statement. Graduate students need a bachelor's degree, academic records, and often GRE or GMAT scores for specific programs. A statement of purpose or research proposal and letters of recommendation are also crucial. Meeting all these requirements is essential for a successful application. Gather all necessary documents before applying, including academic transcripts, certificates, and your personal statement. Don't forget letters of recommendation, your passport or identification, and standardized test scores if required. Ensure all documents are certified, translated if needed, and clearly organized. The University of Toronto requires international students to prove English proficiency. This typically means an IELTS academic score of 6.5 to 7.0 overall, or a TOEFL IBT score of 90 to 100. Some programs may accept alternative English proficiency pathways if you previously studied in English. Applications are submitted online. Undergraduates apply through OUAC, the Ontario University's application center. Graduate students apply via the University of Toronto Graduate Studies online portal. Fill in personal details, academic history, program choice, upload documents, and pay the application fee. Always double-check your application before submission to avoid delays or rejection. For a successful application, start early to meet deadlines and write a clear, authentic personal statement. Highlight your achievements, research experience, and extracurricular activities. Ensure recommendation letters are submitted on time and keep copies of all documents for reference. Once accepted, you'll receive an official offer of admission. Next, accept the offer, pay the tuition deposit, and apply for a Canadian study permit or student visa. Prepare required documents like your acceptance letter, passport, proof of funds, and potentially a medical exam. Schedule a visa interview if needed, and once approved, you can travel to Canada. The University of Toronto offers various scholarships and awards for international students. The Lester B. Pearson International Scholarship covers tuition, fees, and living expenses for outstanding students. Faculty-specific awards are based on merit, and some graduate programs offer research or teaching assistantships. Always check the official U of T scholarship page for deadlines and eligibility. Before arriving, arrange on-campus or off-campus housing and attend international student orientation. Explore campus resources, clubs, and libraries, and set up a bank account and health insurance. These steps ensure a smooth transition to life at the University of Toronto. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide on applying to the University of Toronto as an international student was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more study abroad guides. Good luck, and we hope to see you at the University of Toronto soon.